Hi, everybody. Welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we talk about handbags, fashion, lifestyle, and today we have a surprise unboxing from Coach. So before we get into this unboxing, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel and you will receive notifications as we post new content. So thank you for that. Okay. Today, this is truly a surprise unboxing. I had no idea that the Coach ferry was in my neighborhood. My husband went to Coach today and came back with this bag. I have no idea what color it is. I don't know what kind it is. A couple weeks ago, we went to Coach and I posted a video of us in the store. I did some footage, so you guys can check that out too. But I was in there, I was talking to the sales associate. He was there. So apparently he was listening. Like I said, I have no idea. I have no idea, y'all. So we're experiencing this the first time together. Okay, this is a big box and I'm taking off the ribbon. Guys, I'm just like, I don't know which one it is. I'm so excited. He didn't even tell me he was going. He just left out today. I thought he was going to get himself a computer and he went to Coach for me. Oh, God. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. We looked at the Empire, I think it was the, oh my God, the 34. We looked at the Empire 21. There was the Empire 40 I looked at. There was another bag in there that I hadn't really seen before that was in there. So I don't know. I don't know what I got. I don't know. So y'all ready? You ready? Y'all, he got me sucked. Hold on. This wasn't even on the list. Hold on. He got me sunglasses. I was in it goofing around, playing with sunglasses. He got me these. Look. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Oh my God. Look at these. Look at that. Y'all have no idea. Y'all have no idea. Woo. So sunglasses. Another box. Y'all. I got another box. Oh my God. Let's see. I don't even know, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay, y'all. Let me put I can't even see. Look at this. This is a credit card wristlet. So it's got the strap on it. It's got Coach on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. And oh my God. And then it's got a place for the cards. Oh my, y'all. I'm completely floored. I don't even know what to say. And the bag. Y'all, I could tell by the handle. I know what it is. Y'all. This is beautiful. Y'all, I have no words. Y'all don't know. The hubby y'all, look at this beauty. Oh my God. It's the exact, y'all, I'm trying not to cry. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that color. All I can say is I am a very lucky girl. I had no idea. Like I said, he was even going to Coach and he bought me three things. The glasses, I tried them on. I didn't even know he was paying attention. The card case, the wristlet, and then the bag. Y'all, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. These are three things that I am so excited about having in my Coach collection. So I've done this unboxing. Look, we're going to get into this bag. Okay. I just need a moment because this has really, in fact, this has surpassed my wildest expectations. I don't even know what to say at this point. I don't even know what to say. So this baby, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so we are going to do an unboxing. So I just need to take a second. So all right. So this is, oh my gosh, I can't see, and y'all know I know my Coach products. So anytime I'm like this, I cannot think. This is the Empire 34, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I'm going to have to do this. I need to take one break. I have to go give my hubby a hug because He really got you, girl. He got me. So I'm gonna take a second to give him a hug, and I'm gonna come back and see y'all. So let me do that. Let me pause. All right, y'all. Okay, let's get into this bag. Okay, I got the surprise of the century because he's so stealth. He didn't say anything. He's just, well, let's do this. We're gonna look at each one of these items first. We're gonna go through all of these. So we're gonna do the sunglasses first, and we're gonna do them in the order. So we got these sunglasses. They are aviator style glasses, and one thing I like about them is the lenses start dark and then they go light, and they are a lighter metal frame than some of the other ones that I have. Last week when I did what was in my work bag, and I'll show you guys because my work bag was right over there. I showed you guys these and see how they're a darker frame. I like the fact that with the ones that I have now, they are a brown lens. It's easier to see, and they are lighter weight than the black ones. So yes, I'm really happy about having these. And then this item is a credit card or a card wallet, and it's a wristlet. So the good thing about it is that if I'm going to be out and about, even when I'm at work, if I want to go down to the vending machines or something, because everything is credit card now, I can just have my cards in here and not have to carry my wallet. This one is an off-white, and it's got that beautiful caramel color on the inside. And looking at this, I could probably get, quite a few cards in there, or cards and some foldable bills. And even if I'm carrying one of my smaller bags, like my Rogue over there, this is really a good driver's license, couple cards, and some cash all day long. This works. And like I said, it's got a wrist, so I'm going to undo this so you guys can see. Makes me think I should have got some scissors, because they really protect the leather. And it is beautiful. And I'll just attach this so you guys can see. So here we go. And the thing that's really cute about this, sometimes folks are wearing wristlets. These smaller items, they're using them as bag charms. So keep that in mind too. Now for my new baby, my Empire 34. You guys know I did a review a couple weeks ago on East-West style bags, and this is the one that I was really drooling over when I went into the store. I looked at several other bags, and with this bag, I love brown bags. You guys know that with my Clementine, that's in brown. I love black. Quite a few black bags in my collection. But what I really like about this brown is that, one, it goes with a lot that I have already in terms of boots. It works really well. I ordered some brown sneakers from online. So instead of wearing black this summer, I'm going to be using brown instead of black and white, black and cream, that kind of thing. I'm going to soften it up a little bit. Plus, brown is the hot color for this year, for 2025. Interior design, I think it's Swiss Mocha is the color. So you're going to be seeing shades of brown all over the place. So right now I'm removing all of the packing materials that's inside the bag. So now here we go. Here she is. And so on the inside you have some more. On the inside you do have a pocket across the back. And you see the white is in there, so that way you guys can really see where the pocket is. But the pocket goes from the inside. It covers this much of the bag from the inside. It also comes with a little hook here, so a tether, so I could tether my keys to this and don't have to try to rummage around in here, figure out where my keys are. So you have that. Then let me remove these. So actually, what fits in this bag, right? So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a fit test. So I'm gonna put my new glasses in here. A lot of space. I'm also gonna put in here my makeup bag, so that's got a lot of space. My new card case, I'm putting that in here. I'm also going to put in here my Bose headphones, because my Bose go everywhere with me. And with that said, all of that fits in here, and I still have a ton of space. So, and what I like about it is that one, you've got the zip is beautiful. It works. I know I'm looking for, yeah, it was right there. Jeez, Moniz, y'all. So I got my little tag. I think I'm gonna have this one monogrammed. But yeah, it's still got, when they pack these bags, y'all, they have 99 pieces of plastic on them to protect. So I'll just remove some of this stuff at a later date. But yeah, this is my Empire 34. I absolutely love it. I had actually planned to buy this for myself, but my hubby surprised me. So yeah. It is beautiful. Like I said, it's a beautiful bag and it is absolutely amazing. It comes in several different colors. I can't wait to wear this to work tomorrow. I'm going into the office. Thank you for watching me unbox some surprise gifts from my hubby. And please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. And that way you'll be notified when we post additional content. So once again, thank you for watching. And until next time, have a great day. Peace.